Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here, because I know we got some new subscribers. Thank you so much for being here. Hi, how's it going? Welcome. Today's video, I created this look, and I'm gonna tell you, like, midway through the video, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I'm about to scrap this. I don't like this. It's starting to get muddy. The blending's not working, because this is a new product that I'm trying. But I stuck with it, wanted to see how it came out, and I'm actually really obsessed with how it came out. So you're seeing the video because I was so close to just like cutting it off, not doing it. I just filmed the eye portion of this look. I didn't do my face just because I pretty much did the same thing that I do for my face every video. But I will say that I got this bad boy in the mail right here. It's a little dirty already. This is the Sephora Pro, the neon palette that they just launched. I didn't get to get the editorial palette, unfortunately. So I was like, I have to have this. Let me not blind you. But these are the colors. They're super pigmented, super pretty. You'll see in the video. Oh, I don't know if you'll see because I'm going to just do like I'm just going to play music over it, so you might not see. But this blue color I had trouble with. It's super pretty. It was one of my favorite colors I was excited for. But it had a lot of fallout. Like, I have blue like all over my vanity. So I think that's why I started worrying about it getting muddy, because it had a lot of fallout. So it was just, it was a struggle. But I paid, I think it's like $20, something like that. So it's not a bad deal at all. So super pretty colors, super vibrant. If you're in the mood for a color look, definitely pick this up. I don't know if it's on Sephora's website yet. I know it came out like a special where like a limited time you could order it. I don't know if it's officially on there yet. Definitely check it out if you do love vibrant colors. This isn't really going to be a review. It's just going to be me doing an eyeshadow look with it. So yeah, there's that. I also received lashes from Flutter Lashes, my very first time wearing them. These are the intoxicating ones, the one that Jaclyn Hill spent $1,000 on. I'm like, damn, these I've got to see what these are about, because anybody spending $1,000 on lashes, there's got to be something special. So I got that, and I'm glad I did, because I'm wearing them. They're super fluffy, super pretty, and then they sent me a free pair of lashes with those lashes. Like, thank you. Like, who am I? But thank you. Give me a free pair of lashes saying, hello gorgeous, we hope you enjoy this free pair of lashes as our thank you for being an amazing customer. So yeah, I paid like $10 for 2 pairs of lashes, so thank you. This needs to be a trend in 2018. Get a free pair of lashes every time you order a pair. I mean, I'm down. But yeah, guys, let me stop rambling. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's not over here, it's over here. I've learned my lesson, so make sure you tap it, hit it, smack it, just slam down that subscribe button, break it, break the subscribe button, and join our family, because we're pretty cool over here. Yeah, I love you guys. Make sure you give it a like, and lets me know how you like the video, how you like the eyeshadow, how you like me. Oh, one more thing before I go. What we're not gonna do in this video is talk about how disgusting my nails are. We're not going to do that. So, yeah. Let's just don't. I'm getting them fixed tomorrow. I promise. It's a whole situation. Moving on. Love you guys so much. Make sure you stick around and see what videos are to come. I love you so much. Have a great day or night wherever you are. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never